Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to solve the problem if one of your nothing ear earbuds has stopped working. First of all, grab your phone and on your phone turn off the Bluetooth and forget this device if it was already paired. Grab your headphones, put them back to the charging case and close the lid. Now let them rest for a few minutes. As the next step, open up the charging case with both of earbuds inside. Just like this. Now you can see this button, give it a hold and hold it until your flashlight will start to blink with the red color. Just like this. When it starts to blink with red, simply release the finger. It means our headphones are rebooted. Now let's grab our phone back. And as we see, it's already trying to connect with our headphones. So simply press connect. Alright, our Bluetooth has automatically been enabled, so press setup. Great, now we're connected, so let's open up our Nothing X application. Here you can see your headphones, right, so they're both connected, you can see their status, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.